Hello friends, in this video we will learn to solve an aptitude question, that is, in the figure below, angle BEC plus angle BFC is equal to blank. This is a diagram. Here is a list of answers. We need to find which answer is the best suitable to this blank. Here is the explanation for to solve this question. First, see, instead of taking like this BED BAC, just take the angle C, small c and small a instead of these things. For that, then these will become like this, right? Angle DEC is E, small e, and angle BFC is small f. Then we already know every triangle angles sum is 180. Based on that, take the equations of both triangles. Those are a plus b plus e is equal to 180 degrees, and a plus d plus f is equal to 180 degrees. And also this rectangle angle sums will become the 360. So a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 360. And see, based on this, we are going to solve this one. We need to find the E plus F sum. So add these two equations, first and second one. Then those will become A plus B plus A plus D plus E plus F is equal to 180 plus 180, that is 360. And from this, in this, here is there A plus B plus D is there. To get this value from this one, A plus B plus D is equal to 360 minus C. So substitute that value. Then see, this will become 360 minus C plus A plus E plus F is equal to 360. So 360 will be removed. Then see, E plus F is there, and write that one. E plus F is equal to C minus A. Write it in some manner like this one, BCD or BAD, like this. Then write it like BCD minus angle BAD. See this? This is equal to option A. So option A is correct one. Thank you for your patience. Happy to see you.